Hola y bienvenidos a la clase de español. Hoy vamos a practicar cómo se usan me gusta and me gustan. So in English, both of these mean I like and I like. But in learning a different language, we understand that there is not a one for one translation, that really, truly, we have to translate the thought and understand how a native speaker would express themselves. So it's not a one for one translation necessarily. So I want to teach you guys how to use me gusta. The verb is gustar, which literally means to be pleasing to. So when we're saying me gusta, we're saying something is pleasing to me. So it's a reflexive verb. Whatever this is reflects back on the person, who in this case is you, um, or I here, uh, doing the liking. Okay. So it's a little bit different verb form than what we have in English. So if you had a singular object, let's just say you have a cat, right? And it's a great cat, and you like your cat. You would say, me gusta el gato. We have one cat, and that's what it means to be singular. It's one item. So if it's one object that you like, you're going to use this gusta form, me gusta. So my cat is pleasing to me, is essentially what you're saying. Now, let's imagine that you like to run and you say, me gusta correr. Anytime you're talking about I like running or I like to run, we are going to say that is the infinitive form of the verb. So you would say, so basically you're saying running is pleasing to me. You almost have to think about it backwards as we translate the thought there. Now, the cool thing is if you have multiple infinitives, let's say you like running and jumping. Okay, here's your trampoline, and woo, you like running and jumping. You would say, me gusta correr y saltar. And you notice that it still stays as gusta because we're using infinitive verb forms. So even though we have two different verbs here, it still stays singular gusta. Me gusta correr y saltar. Because anytime you're using an infinitive, it just stays with gusta. All right, hopefully we've covered that well enough. You'll see other situations too in the videos. The first video you're going to watch is in English, or no, it's not in English. You're going to learn some of the rules. The questions you're going to be asked are in English. The second video, the questions are in Spanish. So you're going to have to listen to this sweet 11-year-old girl in the second video very closely. Now, let me talk about when we're going to use gustan. The main thing you need to know is you're going to use it for plural objects. So let's say you like your cat and your dog, okay? And you, you would say me gustan, and you could say mi perro y mi gato, okay? Mi perro y mi gato. Me gusta mi perro y mi gato. Let's say you like pens and pencils. Wow, getting crazy here. You would say me gustan las plumas y los lápices. Okay? So anytime you're talking about liking more than one object, you're going to use gustan because those objects are pleasing to you. Okay, I hope that is a quick rundown as we go into your work this week. You are going to need to look at the module in Canvas and do the Ed puzzles. They're awesome videos with great embedded questions, so you have a chance to respond to what you've listened to in the moment. And finally, you will have a little quiz right there in Canvas. And I'd love to know 5 things that you like. Now, you could use the negative form, and they're going to teach you this. So you could say, No me gustan. Let's say, no me gustan. What wouldn't you like? Uh, los gatos. If you don't like cats, you could say no me gustan los gatos. That would be how you do the negative form. All you do is put the no in front of the regular thing. But if you do like cats, you could say me gustan los gatos. Okay, so you're going to write 5 sentences in Spanish telling me what you like, making sure to use the correct form of gustar. So, again, quick review: me gusta for singular objects or infinitive verbs, me gustan for plural objects. Okay, have fun with that. And this is a very important phrase for you to learn how to use correctly in Spanish because when you first meet someone, often you try to find common ground and talk about things that you like. All right, thanks, guys.